Hello everyone. Today we will explain the maintenance of aircraft fuselage. Aircraft cleaning also plays a vital role in the flight platform. Not cleaning in time will affect the stability of the aircraft platform, affect the heat dissipation of each electrical component, and affect the safety of the operation. The main cleaning parts are propeller, motor, electric regulator, distributor, and so on. If there is a foreign object on the propeller and not cleaned in time, it will affect the dynamic and static balance of the propeller, resulting in shaking affecting the load of the aircraft. When there is liquid medicine or other foreign object in the blade, be sure to use a towel to clean the foreign object on it. Foreign objects on the motor can affect the stability of the aircraft. When there are foreign objects on it, a towel can also be used to wipe it, and the motor can also be cooled by wiping it during high-temperature operation. There is a cooling surface design on the electrical regulator. When the foreign objects attached too much will affect the heat dissipation of the electrical regulator. High-temperature operation will lead to the reduction of electrical regulator power, affecting flight safety. The towel can be folded to clean the attachment inside the cooling surface, and the electrical regulator can be physically cooled by wiping more during high-temperature operation. If there is oxidation blackening on the distributor board, use alcohol swab to wipe them in time and apply a little conductive paste on it for maintenance. After cleaning the above main parts, use a soft towel to wipe the fuselage frame to ensure the overall cleanliness of the aircraft. Above is today's lesson. Follow the TopXGun channel for more plant protection skills.